So before this video gets started, if you are an Uber driver, if you already signed up for Uber and you forgot to use a referral code, you didn't know anybody, or you didn't watch our videos, and if you already signed up for Uber, maybe you just signed up, or maybe you signed up a while ago and you never did use a referral code, you can still get your bonus. You can still get your referral bonus. I know a lot of people don't know that, or when I tell them, they're like, wow, then I had no idea. And right now, guys, because of everything that's going on, it is better time than ever to sign up or to apply the referral code. It literally is 8 steps. The instructions are down below. It's super easy. We don't need any of your info. You just apply our info. Again, it's super easy. This is the Rideshare Hub. Take advantage of this. It could be $1,000, could be $1,500. It might only be $100, but still, I could use that money right now, and I'm sure you can too. So go ahead. It's the sign up bonus for Uber. The instructions are down below. It's super easy, super simple. Okay, I just wanted to tell you guys. Now let's get on to the video. Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name's Dylan, and thank you so much for coming by. It's come to the point. It's that time. Uber and Lyft drivers are running out of rides. I'm gonna talk about that all in today's video, but before I do, if you could leave the video a big thumbs up, I would really appreciate that, just because it's hard to explain, but basically if YouTube sees that the video does have thumbs ups, it helps me as a creator make more videos. So without thumbs up, I would really have to stop making videos, and I don't want to do that. So if you could leave the video a thumbs up, thank you. Now moving on. So what exactly is going on in the world right now? Well, we are in an international quarantine. The whole world is essentially going to stop for about 3 to 4 months. So what does that mean for Uber and Lyft drivers? What are Uber and Lyft drivers going to do now that people are not taking rides? Who's not taking rides? Why are people not taking rides? And where can you still find rides if you are a driver and you still want to go out and make money? Where are the big places you can still go out and drive and make money as an Uber and a Lyft driver? So let's talk about that right now. Yeah, so first of all, universities are shut down for the next 6 months at least through summer. So going out and doing Friday and Saturday night rides, taking college kids to parties, taking college kids out to the bars, whether you like it or not. Most of your passengers on Friday and Saturday nights are college students. Saturday, Sunday, college students spending their student loan money, going out to, you know, restaurants, to the city, out of the city, back home from the city, out to clubs, out to bars. All those rides are gone. Why? Because all those students are at home. They're at home with their parents, and they're staying at home. They're staying indoors. The next thing, work is closed. If you don't have a non-essential job, you're pretty much at home. So all those people who need rides to work, commuting hours are gone. Absolutely gone, guys. If you're an Uber or Lyft driver, you're not going to be taking people to work anymore. The only people you're going to be taking to work are people who do work at restaurants, like cooks, chefs. You might have a couple people to do takeout. Who else? Banks, I think. Probably banks, I would assume. Like people who work at the doctor or the hospital, or, you know, nursing centers. Essential jobs, like what else is essential right now? Maybe laundromats. Are laundromats essential? Because people still need to do laundry. Garbage truck drivers, if you need to take a garbage truck driver to his work. Oh, yeah, my asthma, guys. I'm actually high risk for this haul because I do have asthma. And I've been talking a lot today. This is my 4th video of the day in a row. That's how I film these videos, if you guys don't know. Who else is essential? Maybe mechanics. I don't know. Who else is essential? What else? Who else are you not taking rides to right now? Social events. Restaurants are closed. So people, I talked about workers, but Also, again, you're not getting normal everyday people going out to restaurants, to bars especially. Why do a lot of people take Uber and Lyfts? Because they don't want to drive because they're drinking. So you're not going to be able to take them. Your museums are closed, arcades are closed, gyms are closed. That's another big one. Fitness studios are all closed. So, oh yeah, and another thing is that there's a lot of travel bans. Essentially, the CDC, the government, the US government said, do not go out and travel unless you have to. Don't get on a plane unless you have to. So, where are you going to get rides? Where you're going to get rides are people who are staying away from the metro, staying away from buses, staying away from trains, staying away from airplanes. You're going to get a lot longer rides of people who don't want to, you know, take a train or a bus or a metro. And you're going to get rides taking people to work. And you're going to get rides taking people to the doctor and to the hospital, which I don't personally want to do just because I don't want to take sick people to work, to the hospital or the doctor, but you're gonna have to. I mean, if you're going out and driving, people are gonna order rides to the doctor. So you're probably gonna get sick, but again, you're running that risk. What else? Where else are you gonna get rides from? Oh my gosh, I'm like, you don't realize how often you touch your face when you're, until you're like exposed to something like this. What else? So, another thing, where else are you gonna make money is doing food delivery, guys. I know that's really not what you wanna hear. You wanna hear, oh, Dylan, Uber and Lyft is gonna, you know, this is how you're gonna make all your money doing Uber and Lyft. You're gonna make money doing Uber by doing Uber Eats. You're gonna go out and do food delivery right now. Why? Because everyone's on quarantine, everyone's self-isolating, staying at home, and they're ordering food because they don't want to go out to eat because they can't go out to eat. What do you mean? They cannot go out to eat. Not want to, they can't. So they're gonna stay at home and order food. They're gonna do deliver. They're gonna get DoorDash, Uber Eats, Postmates, Grubhub, Caviar, Instacart grocery delivery. Instacart grocery right now is 10 times. They have 10 times demand. I was gonna make a whole video on that, but here, I'll just say that right now. Instacart grocery delivery is up demand 10 times. So go ahead and use the links in the description to get your sign up code bonus and start making money. Because I went out and did Instacart. I made 24 bucks an hour. There's no excuses right now. Trump did say he's gonna, you know, give everyone $1,000 bucks, but you know, that would be great to have, but at the same time you gotta have plan B, plan C, plan D. So food delivery is another one. You can also do Amazon delivery, package delivery. They're hiring I think it's like 100,000 people in the United States. So yeah, you can go out and do that. What else? Oh yeah, I was gonna say, and then when is this gonna all end? When are rides gonna come back? Well, this is also another bad news, but I just wanted to be realistic with you all. They're probably not gonna come back for around a year. Yes, I just said a year. You're still gonna have rides, but they're gonna be maybe half the rides you've had in the past year. You know, you go out, let's say you go out and drive 8 hours, you're doing 20, 30 rides. Now you're gonna go out and do 8 hours, you maybe get 10 or 15 rides. Maybe 20, maybe 20. Maybe in the next year, guys. And I'm talking in 9 months from now, 9 months from now. Why? Because all of a sudden now, well, first of all, in the next 3-4 months, people aren't going places. No one's gonna be eating in a restaurant for the next 3 months. That's just a fact. Well, not a fact, but you guys know what I mean. I'm not over exaggerating when I say you're not gonna go out to, you say you're not gonna go out to eat in another month. What am I talking about? Sorry, I just got a text. Wow, I can't look at my phone while I make these videos. Okay, but the thing is, now all of a sudden you're gonna have a ton of new workers, new hourly workers starting to drive for Uber and Lyft. A lot of restaurant workers, sorry, I'm so distracted right now. You have a lot of restaurant workers, a lot of, you know, freelance video editors, freelance whatever. All the people who are like, screw 9 to 5, I'm going out on my own and making money. Right now, it's kind of hard to go out and make money when no one's spending any. So what's going to happen? All those people are going to sign up for Uber and Lyft, and they're going to work for Uber and Lyft for the next year. So you thought there's already a lot of drivers out on the road. There's going to be twice as many, 3 times as many, 10, 5, 50 times as many drivers out on the road. And then who's going out and doing rides? Less people. The only way you're going to get more rides is if, you know, the government says, all right, you're free to go. I just read that the US government, or the CDC, says that they advise, at least for the next 8 weeks, they advise all governments to have no gatherings over 50 people, at least for 8 weeks. Right now, it's no gatherings over 1 in my town. You can't even meet up with a friend. You can't have 2 people gatherings, but they said in 8 weeks, at least no more than 50 people gathering at once, which that's like for grocery stores and stuff. That's like essential. Forget going to a freaking music festival, bro, with 200,000 people. Ha, good luck. Yeah, Coachella thinks they're going to have a music festival in October. Good luck. No, it's probably going to be, it might happen next year. I wouldn't be surprised if Coachella 2021 got canceled, guys. That's how serious it is. Rides are running out. Uber and Lyft drivers, start thinking for other options, and maybe apply for a job. An essential job. Maybe apply to work at a bank or something that you're gonna have a 9 to 5. And you know, maybe this whole, oh, you know, I'm gonna quit my 9 to 5 and I'm gonna take the risk and do it on my own. Well, how's that working out for you now? I'm sorry, but these are questions you should think about. And yeah, you might not like me asking those questions. You might say, oh my gosh, who's this guy for asking that question? Well, take a look at yourself and see if it is working. Start doing YouTube. I'm encouraging guys, do YouTube, do TikTok, do Facebook, do Instagram videos, do YouTube videos, like do Twitch streaming, live streaming. You know, there's so many different ways to make money out there. And YouTubers actually right now are kind of reaping the benefits because everyone's staying home online watching YouTube videos all day. So YouTubers are doing fine. I wish I made more on YouTube. I don't make that much, but you know, that's why I'm posting all the time. So hopefully one day I can. But yeah, guys, that's about it. I just wanted to like encourage you guys throughout this. Just, you know, stay strong. It's gonna, you know, we're gonna get through this together. I'm here for you. If you need anything, let me know. I'm here. You're not alone in this. I just want to let you know. You're not alone. I'm here for you. Stay safe out there, and I'll talk to you all soon. All right, bye guys.